and for like many months he was there having this weird, like kind of altered reality experience. And because no one understood it, he was not close to shamans and people that could actually guide him in this. Like it was very hard for him to kind of
Mm.
assimilate back to into society, which now he has through Buddhism. He found ways to reconnect to his body and then assimilate those experiences, and then he writes about it.
Mhm.
And his teachings from his research is all about, he uses Jungian philosophy as well as Buddhism to communicate those. But he wrote 3 books on the Wetiko, which is a mind virus,
Mhm.
and it's an unconscious belief that is, has been there forever, like since
Yeah.
the Roman Empire, when they started to like use magic and they implemented this in society. So
Mm.